Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ni Amuda, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful website where you can get consistent, powerful 3D icons. Now, you get icons about on health, right? I mean, high quality icons like this. You're going to be getting them like all these. All right, and the good thing is that they are all free. All of them, they are free, and you can use them for personal use or commercial use without even attribution. You can download them for free. Nobody's charging you anything. Very easy, right? So these are some of them that you're going to be seeing. So how do you get access to this website? The first thing you need to do now is to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. Make sure you click the notification bell and you get more videos. Okay, my YouTube channel is loaded with a lot of resources for you. All right, so go right now and then you will see the subscription button. Right, you see it there, right there at this area here. Then you click it. Just below this video you will see the subscription button. Click it and then subscribe. Now that you have subscribed and you have hit the notification bell, let's go to Google. So go to Google, and this is where we're going to click. So let me show you how to easily get it. Just type on Google 3D bay, right? 3D bay, and then load it. And it's going to load for you, and you're going to see a lot of options, blah 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 blah. You see them here. Okay, don't bother. Where you should go now is the first option you're going to get. You will see it there, www.https. okay, you see claddevs.com. then you see 3D bay. Click on it, and you're going to get access to 3D icons for free. Look at it here. Say the world's largest free 3D collection, image collection, high quality images, free for commercial use, no attribution necessary. You can use it for your printing, use it for whatever you want to use it for your Instagram. And then, are you seeing them? All these are free. All of them, they are free. You can use them for your design. Okay, so if you want to search for images, you can come over here, look at it, the categories. Yeah, their collections. These are mobile hand. If you want shapes, you can get them here. All right, if you go to shapes, you can get a lot of shapes here for you. All right, 3D shapes. You can use them for your Instagram carousels. All right, there's so many here. All right, you have other beautiful ones here. You have logos. All right, if you need 3D logos, all right, social media logos, you can see them here. They're all here for you. All right, there are many. You can go to the next page. They are all free and you can download them very well. If you need mobile applications, you can get them here also. All right, you can see they are all here. These are mobile applications. Okay, you also have plants, you have art decoration, you have objects, you have furniture, you have appliances, you have crypto. If you want to talk about crypto and NFT, you have them here. You have business startups, and you have other illustration. If you want to talk about podcasts, you have good illustration for your podcast here, 3D illustration for your podcast. They're all here, and like I said, they're all free and you can download them in high quality. This is a businessman. Okay, you can get a lot of his images here. You can see talking about business ideas and all that. You can get them here. Are you seeing that? Go to the next page. There are many. There are many. You can see you can use this for your carousels, for your post online. Okay, and you have this businessman one, the same thing. All right, you have I think let's go to social media influencers. So the 3D icons, 3D illustrations, there are so many here for you, and like I said, they are all free. You don't have to be afraid that someone is going to arrest you for copyright or whatsoever. They are all free. The list is unlimited. All right, the list is unlimited. You get access to more than, you can see them. There are so many. All right, there are so many. So if you like this video, the first thing you need to do is to actually click the like button there. All right, click the like button there, and then we can begin to, you can share it, and then you can drop a comment. All right, this is it. If you want to download any of them, just click on it like this, and it's going to show you all the categories. And then the ones that you like this one now, just hold it like this and then click on download. You'll see a download link. Look at the download image, okay, and then it's going to open for you. All right, you see it's downloaded now. All right, so that is just it. So that will be all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.